Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly elevate your YouTube channel's earnings: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to start earning money on YouTube, even before you're eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. In fact, affiliate marketing is exactly how I started to make money on YouTube, long before I ever got any income from YPP. No matter your channel size or niche, these tips will help you harness the power of affiliate marketing to boost your income. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Today, we're covering 5 powerful affiliate marketing tips that can skyrocket your YouTube earnings. These methods are not only effective, but also easy to implement, helping you to start earning even before you reach that coveted YouTube Partner Program status. 1. Review videos. Review videos are one of the most effective ways to leverage affiliate marketing on YouTube. They're fantastic for in-depth analysis of online tools, software, or AI tools that you're affiliated with. How it works: create detailed review videos about online tools or software relevant to your niche. In these videos, you should highlight the features, pros, and cons of the product. Share your personal experience using the tool and be honest about what you liked and didn't like. Including affiliate links in the video description is crucial, and don't forget to mention them during the video itself. Pro tip: to build trust with your audience, showcase real-life examples of how the tool or software works. For instance, if you're reviewing an AI-powered content creation tool, demonstrate how it can streamline the content creation process. A good comparison with similar tools can also enhance your credibility. This approach helps viewers make informed decisions and increases the likelihood that they'll click on your affiliate links. For example, many YouTubers in the content creation space, myself included, review online tools like email marketing platforms, project management software, or AI writing assistants, and include affiliate links to the products they're discussing. 2. Demo videos. Demo videos are another powerful tool in affiliate marketing. These are best for demonstrating how online tools or software work in real time. How it works: walk your viewers through the features and benefits of a tool by showing it in action. This method works particularly well for software, online services, or AI tools. By providing a hands-on demonstration, you can effectively show how the tool solves specific problems or enhances productivity. On one of my channels, I often speak about how AI can help in editing PLR content. I show them how the tools can speed up the editing process of the PLR content. For those who don't know what PLR content is, it's content that someone else has created, and you've been given a license that allows you to change it to make it unique to you. When you do your demo video, place your affiliate links in the video description and make sure they're easy to find for viewers who are ready to purchase after seeing the demo. Make sure you mention that you have the link in the description box. Pro tip: focus on solving a problem that your audience might have. For example, if you're demoing a project management tool, highlight how it can help manage tasks more efficiently or improve team collaboration. Clearly showing how the tool addresses these issues encourages viewers to make a purchase through your affiliate link. For example, many creators in the productivity or online marketing space do demo videos where they walk viewers through the setup and use of tools like SEO software or social media management platforms, often linking to the products they're demonstrating. Number 3. Digital product comparisons. Digital product comparisons can be a game changer for affiliate marketing. They can be effective for comparing multiple similar online tools or software side by side. How it works: create comparison videos, feature a breakdown of the product, or even ranking videos that showcase why one product might be better than another. This approach is particularly useful for software, online services, and AI tools. Pro tip: highlight which tool or software is best suited for different types of users. For example, if you're comparing different AI article rewriting tools, compare the features and benefits and explain why you believe one is superior to the other. By offering affiliate links for both options, you can capture more potential sales as viewers choose the tool that best fits their needs. Another example could be, you might create a video comparing popular email marketing tools like MailerLite and ConvertKit, detailing their features, pricing, and usability. In fact, some of the highest viewed videos I have on another channel are comparison or versus videos. 4. Tutorial videos. Tutorial videos are a fantastic way to teach your audience how to use online tools or software while integrating affiliate marketing. They're best for products that have a learning curve or require detailed explanations. How it works. Create step-by-step how-to videos on how to use a tool, focusing on how it can solve specific problems or enhance productivity. Mention your affiliate link throughout the tutorial and explain how the tool contributes to the process. Pro tip: make your tutorials beginner-friendly to attract a broader audience. If possible, create a follow-up series that covers more advanced techniques or tips. This not only helps in retaining viewers, but also encourages repeat views and builds a loyal audience base. Example: many software reviewers create tutorials on how to use specific tools, like video editing software or AI writing assistants, including affiliate links for special offers or discounts. Number 5. Best tools for specific goal videos. Round up videos that list the best tools for achieving a specific goal can be highly effective for affiliate marketing. These videos are evergreen and highly searchable, making them a great addition to your channel. How it works. Create a video that highlights the best online tools or software for a particular goal, such as best tools for content creators or top AI tools for entrepreneurs. Position the affiliate products as top choices for your niche. Pro tip: update these videos periodically to include newer products or features. This keeps your content relevant and continues to drive traffic and sales through your affiliate links. Example: many YouTubers create top 5 or best of videos for various tools and services, linking to the products they recommend. By consistently updating these videos, you can maintain their effectiveness and keep your audience engaged with fresh content. That wraps up our top 5 affiliate marketing tips to skyrocket your YouTube earnings. Implement these strategies to start generating income through affiliate marketing, even before you reach the YouTube Partner Program. If you found this video helpful, consider buying me a cup of coffee through my Ko-Fi link in the description box. Your support means a lot and helps me keep creating valuable content for you. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.